Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss another new topic, and that is gaseous exchange in humans. The gaseous exchange in humans is occurred through a system known as respiratory system. The respiratory system is divided into two parts. The first one is the air passageway and the second one is the lungs. The air passageway are the parts through which air goes into the lungs, and after the exchange of gases it comes out. For your better understanding, I will show you the diagram. Here is the diagram. The respiratory system moves air through the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus and into the alveoli where gas exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Nares are the openings to the nose. The nasal cavity is lined with cilia, mucous membrane and blood capillaries. Air is filtered by cilia, moistened by mucous membranes and warmed by blood. Air moves into the pharynx, which is a common passageway for food and air. Air continues on to the larynx. The epiglottis, a flap of tissue present in the front of larynx, closes off the larynx on swallowing to prevent food from entering. The larynx or voice box contains vocal cords. The trachea or windpipe connects the larynx to the bronchioles. The cartilaginous rings of trachea protect the windpipe from collapsing. Lungs are spongy tissues with alveoli and blood capillaries. Breathing occurs because of the expansion and contraction of the lungs. The bronchi contains the air divided into smaller subbranches called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchioles are the alveolar sacs. The alveolar sacs, surrounded by blood capillaries, contain millions of cells where gaseous exchange takes place. Oxygenated air goes from nose into the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus and into the alveoli. By the process of diffusion, oxygen in the air moves into the alveoli through capillaries. Carbon dioxide moves in the capillaries through alveoli and is called exhalation. This process is called respiration. This is all for today's lecture. I hope you have understood it well. Allah Hafiz.